here to waste time. I beg, help me appreciate everybody who don't climb your beg. Help me just clap for them. Everybody who don't climb. Yes. People don't ask me questions. I say, this one, you don't born 3. See, they wear knicker. I say, you don't understand. I don't tell that before. Say, the more they get money, the more they misbehave. This country, you not feel normal get money. You must craze. That's why anytime you see commissioner, you must fall down, do like this. Craze character must be there. Know how you want to. I know the comedians will come here after they finish. I don't want to do this one. Maybe say when I reach us, I don't get money to pay us rent. This one, hello. I know they can't play for years. Now worry about me. Guys, if Sapele people still owe money, as we they talk, where you funny, now that they spray you. If they not get, don't worry. It's not they, you not kid yourself. Like this commissioner and Ototo, they don't broke. Now me go help them now. Men are not the king yourself. So now the way the matter be like that. We don't come. We don't there here. See Fremont. It changed on top of stage. We have boxer. How we see no say that boxer not be waiting sort of wear. Boxer be like speaker riser. He get where take bed down. One useless gay where they my boss say, oh God, tear up. I said, now God go tear you. What do you want tear, idiot? Oh God. Everybody don't call here. See reward begin. See property where woman carry. I'm not sure say you even know what you carry. This lady get waist where be like say she back picking. God. People they vex. I know say worry men not they use that kind of waist play. Where they crack joke. You know say now here you stand. This table. The man I can tell why saying that you're meant to be that. Na joke over go down to quarrel. Everywhere plenty. God. And they imagine where your husband go on blah. Your husband go the hoping waist like textbook. I just gonna play. Let me say we're really serious now. Just gonna play. Any idea be? Man! Real quick. My life now, if I see what it's good, I appreciate it, man. If you know they try, I go tell you straight. Now maybe that. I know they hide my mouth. Yes. You're not gonna like me. Now the truth be that. The 2 guys we call sing here. That Fremont DJ. And that last guy say, you sure say we go make heaven. My brother, you not gonna make them. You're not going to make them the way you did now. Don't tell us say you don't pick and fire. Mind rest. But God, wait till you tell me. See song. He don't tell you why your song where they write. Hey! This one, they write them. And the guy will sing that Christian music. Very nice. Man! Akpororo versus Akpororo Lagos. Not be Sapele. Lagos. You and that guy, men are just call say yourself. Now, only way to do give you that. So if other people, whereas you call Olamide, Bado, and Don Jazzy for the song. So come there, make you go sing and give them if they go help you. If they not help you, come on their 2 names. Just spread my name them. Akpororo, he cover their 2. Because I make other you go Lagos, not take me play. Free my pick this one. Fear. Someone leave him. Put on pocket. Don't start. Banana, see why many things they do you. See your story. From Babalawo Pada, you thief Igbe Pada, you miss it too. 2 Surai, you miss him. God. See best story. You know the thief better thing. You know your story. Only slippers, yam. You know the thief better thing. You know if you enter bank thief money. But it's cool. It's cool. Sapele at the place. Thank you guys for coming out. When you come in, they say, oh, bros, I know they buy tickets to do this or no. I say, you don't understand. Oh, you they follow now. Grace, now keep me reach this place. We not the fear. 2 days to our show, it a full. And we're not a fear. So I pump that input for everybody where they near me. That's why you don't near me, you just tap your own. If you want to go, you go. If you want day close, you day close. But I know say time go come, I go start the grace. So that when you want collect them, oh yeah, pay. Because I know say you go soon run, so you pay. Because many don't come run. So many people don't near me. After they near me finish, they're going to win an award, they're going to win this or that. Advisor, the laugh shock you or you press another person. Oh, man. Bros, now life be this. Now life be this. People don't perform tire. Yes, I mean, I help them. I not great. See drink when they drink. See what I to buy. And I to wear cap. Like who they sell cement before. See what I buy. Different people don't come and men I help them. Now waiting, I'll take help or sign and I'll take buy drink. Now I'll take buy drink. Then I'll take buy drink. Waiting, I'll take help us. This is wickedness. Okay, you put a waistcoat now. Spread like virus. Help people with money now. You don't help people. You they drink now. You are drinking my money. I just born. What is your problem? I need money. Transfer. My account number is 01. Answer me. You tell me how they fear. Men and wait, give me money. Then now they tell me you go back or give me my this. You like be Yahoo boy say, you know if you work. My account they not the same. Okay. Make I give you one money not there. I want to, so that you won't collect anything. Only the account they tell you say nothing. 2 years he never put anything there. Maybe this GTB. I know collect money. True. You did they drink the test I want to collect money. I don't understand. You know how to come. My brother, shift on your show. Not they snap they near my money. You cannot bite your back. They don't ever bite you yet. You they cry plenty. Your cry they scatter. Because where they bite you, your hand not the feet touch. Are you the cop person? Help me touch. Man, that's what the matter be. My commissioner. Are you there, sir? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this year. Your support. Oh, you know when I call your name since? Now they delay. My commissioner. Thank you for the show. Where I do this year. My commissioner, my brother, they give her and now you get money. Now let's see the first me. Nobody go get money, now you go the whole up. Give you get money. My commissioner. All these boys. Nobody not saying as I make money. Now not anything. Now me, I learn for. Now me. I spread. Now about this 40,000. I'll create for. In fact, all the rest of women are shift. I won't crack joke for your ear. Oh boy. People that do things. At the time people say cut your coat according to your size. Not they do pass yourself. Commissioner did joke now for you. He get one man. The man watched American film. For the film, because he gate. House gate. He liked the gate. But this gate cost. This man full pension for 50 years. As a PM, the man go buy gate. He not build house. Buy gate, put fence. Every day, armed robber go they pass the place. They gossip the gate. Oh boy. The house will get this gate, eh? The money will go there. You know some robber, they sabi conclude. You never enter. Don't pass another day. Oh boy, see gate. One day, the armed robber say, today we must rob this house. This armed robber, they call another group of armed robbers. Say, guy, we are not there. Other one say, we there, they go already. Sava, and I got mission. I say, yes. Amen, I turn back. Now I say, why? So we get where one rob. The gate alone. Now die. Inside that house, for enter without blow. He show up past Baba Jebu. I just want to turn back. First time for my life was where armed robber, they rent sledgehammer, shovel, and rake. Like I said, they want to do sanitation. They reach the gate. 11:30, they start the break gate. 4:30, gate number 4. And you know, say for Lagos, people they quick wake up. People don't wake up 4:30, they go work. They don't they greet the armed robbers them. On a good morning, other don't greet them. Men I go well, God go bless you now. Armed robber. Say today, we must this place, we must, even though they break meet us, we must enter here. Then they break. Because Lagos people go wake up, even the one not get work. They wake up early. Because they don't need alarm. It don't their head. 4:30, you just see person wake up. Wah! Run enter bathroom. Brush my we have trousers. Come run. Reach bus stop. You go call remember say not get work. You go back house, go sleep. That's all Lagos be. I'm robber that they break. 6:30 a.m. Now gate 4. Boy! As they enter inside, I'm robber that they breathe. They join enter, you just see one small house. Like we have security this day. They enter inside, they see one man sleep on top of mat. One of the umbrella called it, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you now, the security place with this. The main house there inside. They just need to wake that man. As the man wake up, say, my brother, first time, I'm brother, they get respect. Say, good morning, sir. I beg if you just give her water, more drink. The man said, I just stop your water again. They said, just bring her more share. As I drink, they look the man, they say, God go bless you. When they go walk, when they come back, we will change your life. Now they ask the man, say, I bear no verse. Where the house? We get this gate. Now the man say, now the house with this. Now the umbrella guy say, he just wake up or sleep. Man, take water, clean the high. You know, some people feel they talk from sleep. They call the man again, say, I bear no verse. The house, we get this gate. The man say, now be this, now me get the gate. You think pain the hammer about Ghana and start crying. Oh God, you. Oh God, you say waiting. Okay, not use me plain now because this is your joke where you crack now. Don't make me the cry. Okay, more serious talk. Okay, more serious. Okay. We had this road, little. The man said, "Now here, not the road end." The robber said, "Yo." Okay. So why you buy just gate where you not build house? Okay, it's not of build house now. It's not of build house now. Why you wasting money for the gate? Okay. 11:30. Now we go here. When you the year was not the for the gate back up. Why you not just wake up, call this other side, they shall say nothing this side, nothing this side. The man say if I tell and I not go believe now. Seeing is believing, so when I don't come in, I go see. They won't kill him. Anger. But are the things they not be that. That's why read what Biggie talks on, he say, he said, make women not they check man phone. Better thing. My wife, hey. No password I don't put. When my wife not they open. I go put password 226688. So that I go put percent. Just to hard number, hard before I sleep wake. My wife open, I hold my phone, they check. Who be this guy? I change her from password. I enter. You know this pattern. My brother, you don't say. I enter pattern. No pattern one not do. It is one place. I take my hand, hold and use my toe, continue. Before I sleep, wake. I did sleep for 3 now. They hear. Now wait till I hear be not no say na my phone that they hope I just because now let my pattern get that this. My wife open up. I change. I got this one place one day. I just change password. As I wake up, I don't forget them. I don't know now. I can't go meet my wife. I beg you. If you open our phone. Oh, I didn't tell you, blame no day. Papa Freeman, thank you, sir. Mommy, God will bless you. Thanks for giving birth to another man. Because the way this boy they do, like na 2 years, they see no. Boy not too old. Well, I don't know. Freeman and Samuel Person at the same primary school they go. Samuel Person they say, well, Jesus, thank you. Not be choco. People don't hold. We are telling us Freeman don't hold. I did they bust pimples near we are there. Instead of pus go come out, and they see plenty juice from Bessie face. I say, no, this guy, dirty. Now bros, they call her the way they say, bros. Say, no, bros, not they call me bros. I say, no, they jam the bros. You na bros. I beg. A peace rain. I can honor my headers before I go get problem. Bros, have fun. So only they scratch baby. Nobody force you to get her now. Cut her now. Don't get baby like this. Now, so one guy do. He just see person will get baby. Say, be a gang. I beg this guy tire. He said, no, I must get my own. What? Wait till you want rob. He said, not concern you. And no sir must get. Not this boy. We don't know wait till he rob. He just sleep, wake up. Boy! If you see air don't fool everywhere. Cover high. If you want to see now with the answer, wait till you rob. He said, no, they just miss her for me. Now hard for shit to see my face. Wait till you rob. Yeah? Commissioner now for Lagos now army tear police slap. Not Bishop yesterday. Army tear police tag. The policeman just turned look me. Wait I do. I said I want to know what you do. Now the policeman look me, hey, but you stand there now. You stand there, you see everything. Wait I do. I be one talk. But when I look the army man, he do like this. I don't know when I talk to deaf and dumb. The policeman say, but you talk now. I say, I they talk, but anytime I like to be deaf and dumb, and they be deaf and dumb. If I go fit slap you, wait be police like this, what they go do me? Wait be say, come, I beg. But did they pay me? I mean that they crazy. So we have to know say, I mean that they be recrazy men. Nobody see where they road they carry dirty. I mean I be recrazy people. Know how you crazy rich when you reach where army you they normal. I don't see Christmas where they knock mangolo. Back up. He go down. Back up. Jaga. He reach where army checkpoint. I think they look like this. I say, yes, I want to see what will happen today. I see they go there. Back up. As he just near the army checkpoint, I don't know, he said the guy. Just hold the thing away. He call working normal. I shock. Christmas they greet me. Una well done. Una they hard working. Now they work. Una they guide us where he pass. Now worker go meet her for front after he don't cross. I say my brother, but you not Christmas now. You dey do back up. But why you reach here you can't stop? He say you dey crazy. I be Christmas, not get sent. You know they be army. They are slap, they change career. Don't leave me like this. Not take me play. Another thing I go talk before I carry myself come here. Because who they ask me that question, why they carry myself go? No, your house. Bush baby. And also go talk that thing, that man way fat like another share. Now be you talk. Okay, I don't they plan you since you're gonna eat they attack everybody. Now let you wear polo be like advanced canopy. No, now so everybody will talk now the answer is so. Don't say worry people on your day like that to just kill your career. You get one man. What do you do the man? So the way they do comedy now, they get power to yap. In fact, now what now we take train. Not be other way free man they talk now. Now course. On what we enter course from course enter yap. Take and take. Me where they rehearse with full market. Market women they rehearse, they quarry. This one will cost me, I will cost her. This one will cost me, I will cost her. This one. At the end, you see the market women say, I bet me not give her water or don't try. Now only you, just because you plenty like AC waste boy, you tag of here. I kill you. I tell you. that's a joke. Then I call one of my friend, make her do music. The boy, the verse, he hot. Wait, you say you do it with them? Comedy night with which people? Okay, time off. Let me do 10 name. Okay, which day they start? Which day? Like day? Which of the day? Every last Sunday of the month. Okay, free month go start. In the start comedy club. Make I explain comedy club. Comedy club now be where you just go laugh. You buy drink, then comedians go come. They call laugh. Sorry, people who can't call laugh. Now for time off, hotel. You go start them last Sunday of January. Now they start them. This one another correct one. It they make person strong. Normally they make comedians strong. That's how you feel the test line now. So kind of you carry go stage before you go there. You test them with people. Yes. But your premier not be like Coco Lounge. You get one club or Lagos, like Coco Lounge. That one, that the whole cutlass come. Person just come buy beer. Some people just come by 2 p.m. for afternoon. Stay till when the thing go start by 9. They sip and small, like saying a drip. I saw one guy, they use the cover. Who they say, my brother, now cover, they more give you cup. He said, no, I know I like rush myself. I take things easy for life. So this is the way they drink. So now 4 days he go stay. Those people, their blood they hot. They cut anybody neck. They don't want to know. They don't want to know how you funny. That's my name, bro. That's how we roll here. That's how I love you guys too, right? That's how we roll. This country need to craze. When I start this matter, I start this crazy. The fellow look me say, "More see where I go rich." Let me see there now. We are going nowhere. I not get any work I won't do again. I don't try every work. You know work. I don't go teach before. Commissioner, let me joke. I teach. A is for apple. B is for what? Yeah. See? Talk where? Talk back. Teach 3 months. So because I flog one student. They said, don't want to use my money, renovate the Pekin. I said, Pekin a building. And for that, I tell myself, say, don't worry. No, just face this your comedy. Nothing go work. So now, music, comedy, dance. Now they do steady. I don't express myself. I should dance for you. You are mad. Dance for you with sexy voice. They say to me, my wife, they tell me, we say, now they turn me on. Now you they talk. I should dance for you. So when I dance for you, what do you go happen? You got to tell me, say, you should follow me home. I know say that kind of if you tell me, I'm not going to say no. You are mad. One more time. Man, worry picking not they carry last. We know they get one talent. But they get them plenty. So that if this one not work, this one go work. And they do comedy, they do music. If I crack joke, reach one place, it's not funny again. I go enter music. Musicians, they go get problem. If I do music, you know, answer, I go down. See, I don't want to know this industry. We go spread like virus. We they wait anybody. As they come with the wait. I don't follow anybody drag, but I just they among first 10. I know they hold, I know they go, just like Fremont. That's what I want. Yes. Hey, DJ. What is your name? DJ Benson. Blessing. DJ Blessing. That's nice. I hope you are blessed. You sure? Okay. Not be later, you tell me to make I bless you. And your name already. You are blessed already. Just when men of God they tell us that time. That's how they start comedy. If I perform finish for church, you go hear the next thing. God is taking you somewhere. You are blessed. Your miracle is on the way. Miracle is on the way. Take it. I'll say amen. Another day, God. Another day, God. In this one that's about that, God will. I say, Pastor, wait. Give me transport. I won't go wait on my miracle for that road. I like to then just tell me the bus stop. I go there the next bus stop. They wait for them. Say, I beg. Don't kill me. Ah. Now, you get what way they happen where you don't know. He go to marry a fine woman. People they tell me, why your wife fine like that? I don't know. Did they vex me? They ask me that question. So the way I did so, you they find make a marry like this, have you? Make a bomb, make my picking be like prayer points. Not waiting the and they try to help my life. Bible says, write your vision and make it plain. I know say if I marry a fine woman, my children they go fine. Another one. And I don't born them 3. They're fine. Hello. If I see the body, they sweet me. I look my children one day and say, thank God, do not be me born them. And my wife, they touch me, say, I don't understand. So waiting, they try to tell me, say, I don't go shit. I said, no. He just fuck on my man. And the way they say, fine. Blessing another papa, and I get them. Not best. Children, they're fresh. My twin, they got born there for US. Now, yeah, we did now. I want Chris. Commissioners are happy finish. That thing. Where is your happy finish? Not be joke. One you both TMB bill. And then leave children. No? I mean, they explain, give white women, say, now children are born, now picking human. I'm not born ghost, not be a mother or her born now. I'm not born a yelala. Wait, they say, yes, so boy, this price, get this. God. Yeah? They shock me. This one, they not use straw. Not be straw they use. They use normal, that pipe, whether they use for, no, where sucking shit they use. That this way sucking shit. They shock me anyhow. And they walk out lean. We have to get joy. Now when I collect the passport, 2 blue passports. Inside the passport, they just write the word is yours. My body just come down for the money we pay. God. Our passport will be green. Wait till they write if you go collect it. Allah, you double your hustle. You sit down, you die before your time. Just walk. They play all day. Right hand. Anything where you find for life, right hand down, walk towards them. Not just sit down. Many people sit down now called lazy. Poverty called day. Why? Because you don't want to walk. They complain about Buhari. Buhari know you. He don't know you. He don't know you. Just walk. If another person come because your laziness, you'll still complain. 2019 is here again. Not collect bag of rice. You know fish shop for 4 years. Not shop for 4 years. My high hope. Affliction will not arise second time. People will understand what I talk. I'm not a support anybody like this. If you ask me now, say, I want me to vote. I want me to vote Aso Rock. Just the building. May nobody there inside. May they just lock the door. May breeze blow them. I love them like this. I don't understand. This one can't do it home. This one can't do it home. This one can't. See small Ghana here. See their airport. Airport fine. But that airport na scam. As you reach the fine airport, as you pass the airport, you enter poverty. Because themselves they suffer. But airport good. See our airport or Lagos. The person who build that airport, even though you won't build house, give your gods for your village, you go first ask us whether we serve the same gods. So build something, be like small bakery. Airport get 82 AC. I don't count them. If you just land, that's it. 82 AC. You know they cook. Now one day, now we open our just say now microwave. That my brother, now wahala. But we are going somewhere. One thing I like now, we they believe say tomorrow is better. Tomorrow is better. Election don't they come again now. Now they tell they adjust anything they want to adjust. The one way you not like, who you not like. Now they say whether my vote go count. It go count. If they want rig and make the rig and not concern you, you don't do your own. Make God fight the rest. Please. Not just sit down, no. You go suffer. 4 years now, not funny. Huh? Comedian with a fine show like say tomorrow, not be play. One pastor, they tell him, say, Pastor, you know they invite me again. He said, over me, I not get members. So me, I not get members. Now small as fellowship I do. We they do morning devotion. I don't know when I tell her, say that morning devotion, you can still give me 5 minutes. I can perform for that morning devotion. We they find things. When I want to go to Sakoro Lagos, I don't say people they price. Money not there. Table of 1 billion. If you see pricing, can't go meet some chairman. Chairman, don't bring them. He said, how much? I say 1 million. Sakoro, now the price with that. I say, yeah, that's what you buy and sense. Yeah. Say, but you know, agree 150. For 1 million. 150. I said, Chairman, it is small. He said, we'll collect her now because if you don't take time, person will call now, we'll collect 20,000. No time. But we are blessed. So I talk to you, I can't come out. Free month, I go pick my money. No. Before you give your mama. You give your mama 20,000. Million, and better money with that too. Or solely money. That money, the one you spray you, or the one you put for pocket. They spray you the night. You see life. Million to start your picking now. I'm working this one. Or now, you're not that speaking, so I need to find my mama to worry. Let's make I explain so that you will not say, hey, I say, I was stingy. No, I get mama. Jesus. And they talk in here, thank you, teacher. They talk in here. Money carry power. Money. One guy will die. What will eat him? They jump in the carry a hospital for the bed where they. That's why jump on one pay giver. As they ask doctor, say how much. The guy treatment. The doctor said that 120,000. That guy did that day. He had 120,000. This guy now 42 years. He never seen 25,000. As he hear 120,000, the man said, okay, no problem, I will pay. As the man go bring money, the splash and give doctor. If you see the way this guy take wake up. He told him, doctor said, but you are sick. He said, that your sickness. That your sickness. People that die, how much of they bury me? My family, they don't tell us, they don't look at them. How much? 18,000. I'll still get change. Are you mad? Eh? Come on, they should make a go here. This one like idiot. You never go survive. You don't need the money. Money they give you strength, even when you know you won't die, you won't. How you know why you talk like that? Advice I don't come. You carry nylon. With your big nylon, where you carry now? What did I give? Me will not bring nylon. Momo, he rush not bring nylon. The one you go do like me, we pack motor for outside to collect money food. I pack motor for outside. Does this happen if they come, you prepare come? You understand? The way they fold, you just fold the hand. They fold and pull for cheek. They look the money they give you. You know something pure worry making. If I not kill you, make a die. Arm robber said, envelop me for this money. He go show me the bullet. And he go test them. He go shoot coach may die first before I go there. I don't do it. I don't trouble. And they tell you, they don't transfer. Okay, the transfer, they won't come now. And then you get, you did it. What is that? You see the talk at me? You see the talk, it's not going to know you. I know your voice. Even from darkness, I'm glad you come. You know that's what you can do for every show. You know they buy tickets. After you don't vex up your senior brand, they'll give you that, they disturb people. And you wear polo be like native. We don't know where you stand. You jump plenty. People tell you get money now. They don't know say. They don't know say that they swear when they swear for your village. Like there your forehead they walk up. I like the guy. 40 years, so I don't know now. I don't tell you now. 40 years. He don't wear that polo for 42 years. I was on tail for somebody else. Don't do different job. They did AC before. He get one time follow carry juju, it didn't work. He get one time they sell temple for show, it don't work. He get one time he do Russell, he do gay the way they say so. He do gay the carry at the shop and they say you too fat. Your flesh they block place where we start to enter. He enter rob and walk. Anytime they go rob, they run leave him. They don't feel wrong. He don't do different thing. He enter kidnap and walk. He kidnap person at the hand, they kidnap him. He don't do. He try wizard. They say the late fly come meeting. You know they meet up with different thing. He don't do pastor work from here. The church not full. He wish was only one they preach give himself. He come out. He don't do comedy. He crack joke. He not funny because body flesh block his throat. What do you want to tell me? What do you never do? For connector for here. He don't pump himself.